Good morning. Welcome to Grumpy's LaidBak Carvings. This right here is going to be number 7. So, of course, out of that awesome cedar box. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. If you're returning, thank you. Enjoy the show. Here comes the noisemakers.
Grumpy's workshop, where the splinters shine. Broken souls gather, it's a sacred shrine. Dust clouds rise, a balm for the brain. Cedar Roach clips crafted to sustain. Lay hum steady, wood shavings fly. Every spin tells a tale, no need to deny. Fixing what's shattered, giving it a new face. In Grumpy's workshop, we all find grace. Finger stained with cedar and pine. Every groove carved with stories divine. A place where the cracked find repair. Healing in the air, sawdust everywhere. Sit back, I'll spin you my yarn of sawdust therapy and hands well worn. Every tool a prophet, every cut a song. In this wooden chapel we all belong. Lay hum steady, wood shavings fly. Every spin tells a tale, no need to deny. Fixing what's shattered, giving it a new face. In Grumpy's workshop, we all find grace. Cedar clips born where patience meets skill. Each a small triumph, a gap to fill. Stories shared with the rhythm of the grain. Mending hearts while sanding the pain. Dust in the air where the stories ignite. Grumpy's hands work in the glow of the light. Lay hums a tune, cedar shavings take flight. Broken souls mended by the craft of the night. Welcome to the spot where the broken belong. Dust therapy cures while we hum our song. Cedar Roach clips, each a tale reborn. Grumpy's workshop, where legends are sworn. Welcome to the spot where the broken belong. Dust therapy cures while we hum our song. Cedar Roach clips, each a tale reborn. Grumpy's workshop, where legends are sworn. Tools sing sharp like a choir in sync. Stories carved deeper with every blink. Each roach clip's a saga etched in its grain. In Grumpy's hands it all heals the pain. Sit back, lean close, let me spin my tale through sawdust clouds where the heart prevails. Lay spins wisdom in every swirl, a workshop haven in this rugged world. Sit back, lean close, let me spin my tale through sawdust clouds where the heart prevails. Lay spins wisdom in every swirl, a workshop haven in this rugged world. Welcome to the spot where the broken belong. Dust therapy cures while we hum our song. Cedar Roach clips each a tale reborn. Grumpy's workshop where legends are sworn. Welcome to the spot where the broken belong. Dust therapy cures while we hum our song. Cedar Roach clips each a tale reborn. Grumpy's workshop where legends are sworn. Every groove holds secrets, whispers of time. Crafting redemption, no mountain to climb. Broken pieces now treasures refined. In Grumpy's workshop we leave woes behind. Welcome to the spot where the broken belong. Dust therapy cures while we hum our song. Cedar Roach clips each a tale reborn. Grumpy's workshop where legends are sworn. Welcome to the spot where the broken belong. Dust therapy cures while we hum our song. Cedar Roach clips each a tale reborn. Grumpy's workshop where legends are sworn.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Grumpy's LaidBak Carbons. We're in the box, of course. It's time to tie this clip. Sorry, that was my water bottle. It is loud out here with the air, the fans. It's hot. It's 90 degrees already. It's about 2:45 and it is May 17th. Summer hasn't even started yet and it's cooking. So hydrate when you're out in that heat. Oh, sorry, that's what I was doing, was getting some of my water. Alright, put the puller right there. Now, if you've been watching the video, which I hope you've been watching the video, this is the first time I've ever attempted this on a wood turning in general, period, much less on a roach clip. But what they call it, captive rings or whatever. You know, that's a solid piece of wood. I didn't cut it and glue it back together or nothing like that. I spun it, separated it on the lathe, y'all saw. If you didn't, go back and watch the video, it's pretty cool. But looking at it now, I see where I could have turned it and rounded stuff a little bit better compared. Like this one don't look too bad, this one don't look too bad, this one it's a little sharper on that inside angle. But again, this is the first time I've ever done that before and that's pretty cool. My wife said I made fidget spinners on a clip, but yeah, that's pretty daggum neat. I like that. And then it's cool because the grains match, so you can spin it around. Where's it at? You gotta find it. But you can spin it around and find its match. Boop. Oh, there you go. Right there. Wow. That's pretty cool. I love that. Alright, this is going to take forever if I keep rambling because it took me a little bit longer to turn that. Like I said, that's the first time I ever done something like that. And so it wasn't that easy for me to do, so it took me a lot longer to do than my other clips. So we'll see how it edits down. Alright, I'm jumping the gun here. I've already watered out my clip right there. It kind of opened up the ends here a little bit better. Let's see, this looks like it would be close. Let's see. This is all good. The very end kind of flares out a little bit, like bell bottoms or something. Let me cut that off some. It is too thick right here at the very end. When you go to pinch the clip, it'll actually pinch your finger. love them little knives. They get sharp. Alright. Little piece of 320 sandpaper just to kind of take the edges off of what we just did. I'm just doing it by hand right there. Alright. Bet that's gonna grab better. Yes. Just that little bitty bit makes a huge difference. Yep. Alright. Grab it right there. Ooh. Don't slip off. Hope everybody's doing good and, like I said, staying hydrated and staying cool. It's hot. Ooh. It's starting to get warm. Gonna get hotter. Just did mark the stick with the tool, but I didn't get it bad. So that should be good. Alright, we still got the super thin cotton here. Well, unfortunately, but we're going to make it work. And again, with it being so thin, I'm taking 4 pulls on it. That way I got enough coverage. It's still sticking up high. And getting that to stick down just a little bit. Alright, make sure I keep you on camera. Got to remember to be a little more careful with this thread. It's a little more delicate. I said I'm gonna try to get another spool, but I'm gonna make this work for now. These rings, it's like I said, it's the first time I've done the rings on the clip or anything like this. I know I need to get them a little bit thicker, I think. How can I explain it? A little more meat to them so they're not as maybe fragile. I don't think they're gonna break the second somebody grabs them, but if somebody grabs it too damn hard, maybe. So maybe if you're drunk and you grab it and you squeeze a hold of it, you might crack the little rings around there. I don't think they'll be that fragile, but I know if they were a little meatier, it dang sure be better. You got a ball game to go to tonight. And got some new edibles to try too, to see if that helps out. And I can't take my vape pen or nothing like that into the ballpark, and we're going to be sitting there for a while. It's a thing that my wife's work sponsors. They buy so many tickets in bulk and then pass them out to the employees. Oh, I gotta check my string. I feel it twisting up behind me. Please don't knot up. Oh, he's trying to knot up back there. Baseball game, yep. We got a baseball game tonight. These edibles normally don't work that good on me. I'm recording my video. My wife just went to come out here and say something, so I had to let her know I was recording my video. But I'll probably edit that out. But, yeah. Alright, I finally got coverage going on here. I don't see no more metal coming through that well. This string's a lot thinner. Alright. String is twisting. Oh, don't knot up on me. Please don't knot up on me. It's trying to knot right here. Ooh, I think I just saved it. Oh, nice. That was close, y'all. It tried to knot up on me. It did that the other day and I couldn't get it to untie. See, it's still twisting. I got to hold it semi-tight and slide your fingers down it and pick it up off the ground and let it all untwist. See, there you go. Whew, that was close. Alright, squirrel, edibles. Wife come out here interrupting. I want to get away from combustion. I want to do edibles. My stomach don't process grease that well, and THC binds the fats and everything, and so I figure that's why the edibles has never really worked on me. Shop's got these new stuff. It's nano technology, they call it, where they've gotten the molecule broke down and have it water-based instead of oil-based. And I know with my CBD, I have to get the water-based CBD, or I really don't process that any. And so that works for me. And so I'm hoping that this the new edible, being that it's the nanotechnology, so it's a water-based technology, I'm hoping it'll actually work out. Because I don't do anti-inflammatories, Advil, BC powders, pharmaceuticals. I don't do any of that. I take my blood pressure medication and a vitamin D pill, and that's it. Everything else I do for my pain is herbal. Ouch. With everything going on this month with graduations and award ceremonies, because it's graduations and award ceremonies for my son, and then my grandson, he's graduating kindergarten, and they're having a little ceremony thing for him this week. And my granddaughter had a little chorus concert, because she's in chorus at elementary school end of the year, so we did that last week. So yeah, we just been busy. So yeah, my neck and everything's killing me. And so yeah, if the edible that if that works out for me, that would just be awesome, because then it would just make it a little more comfortable when I do graduation. Because I'm not gonna go all blistered to my grandson's graduation thing, because that's elementary school and stuff, but that won't be as long either. But the actual graduation for my son, I gotta be medicated for that. There's gonna be over 400 students. If all the students show up that are graduating, it'll be over 400 students. And you figure at least two family members per student, minimum. if not more. You got grandma, grandpas, aunts, uncles, cousins, all that stuff coming to watch. Oop, I got y'all out of camera. I'm trying to be careful right here because this is the thread is I snapped it on one of my last sticks that I did, and it's just a little bit thinner. And you see how I have it wrapped? I'm pulling that tension to keep it tight right there. The other thread, I was used to being able to wrap up on that and pull it pretty good and it not break. But, like I said, this stuff broke on me the other day, so I'm trying to be careful. But anywho, babble. The edibles, I hope they work. They're the fast acting is what the dispensary calls them. But then when you, like I said, you go into the information on there and look at it, it tells you it's the nanotechnology. Alright, you see, from there to there, what is that, a good 1/8 of an inch? Heck, if not more. Don't cut this that long, cut it just a little bit shorter. That way when you pull that through, it don't stick out. Boop. Perfect. Awesome. I love that right there. That's the first time I ever did that. I've seen like I said, I've seen it done before on other channels and different things and stuff, but what was it? I think it was Dancing with Aardvarks, and then Raja's channel. I saw Raja do it recently on a little piece of one of his shorts, and then I think it was Dances with Aardvarks had a couple of them done. And then I've seen people power carve them before on some of their Dremel carvings and whatnot, but like I said, this is my first. Pretty stoked. I think they turned out pretty daggone neat. So it took me a little bit longer. It's a little bit harder to do that because that's a little more finesse, and that's what gets me sometimes, is that finesse work. Going to the ball game tonight. That'll be a test for the gummy. They're little gummies. Like I said, they're fast acting gummies. So they're cheesy. They're only 10 milligrams a piece. Florida don't give you nothing strong. Like I said, I've eaten a whole candy bar out of the shops before and didn't even feel it. So I don't have much hope for it, but with it being the fast acting, I'm gonna try to stay positive. It wasted $25 if it doesn't do anything for me. Alright, oh my neck. Whew. That one is done, it's gotta dry. That is number 7. Number 7, lucky number 7, that's it. I got lucky because that actually worked. Now, I'm gonna try to replicate this again, and I probably will never get it again. But we're gonna try. That's one thing. Jordy Johnson, he always calls himself a hack when he does his videos. I'm sorry, that man's got a lot of skill, but I call myself a crazy hack because I can't hardly ever do nothing twice. If I do something, I can try to replicate it again. No, it don't happen. It seems like the harder I try to replicate it, the worse it gets. I guess that's what makes everything unique and cool though. That's awesome. Another freestander. My stuff down here ain't level. I got epoxy and stuff everywhere. But that's straight, that's level, that stands, and look. That one spins, that one spins, that one spins. Too cool. Thank you. Like, subscribe. Yeah, thank you. Don't forget, check out my description. I'll have Spike Williams' link in there. We still gotta try to help him raise up some money for that power chair. $1, $2, $5, anything helps. Share the link if you can. Alright, y'all have a great weekend. Thank you. I'm still excited about that. Thank you.